guys, it's Perfectly Asia here. I'm being perfectly me and I hope you're being perfectly you. If you're not a part of the podcast, don't be shy and subscribe, man. And if you are, I'm so glad to see you again. Today we're going to be talking about easy ways you can market your business on Instagram. Let's get into it. The first tip I can give you is make sure your username is searchable. You do not want a super long username or username that has so many underscores that it's just a pain to type in. You want to make sure the experience for the user is easy and quick. You don't want them to come across your Instagram name and then be like, oh, I'm not typing that in. Just make sure it's not too long, it's easy to search, and also that it is cohesive with your brand. You want a username that is relevant to what you do or the business name. So make sure everything is cohesive, short, and searchable. The second tip I can give you is to make sure you have a nice profile picture. Make sure the profile picture that you have for your Instagram is clear, it's captivating, and it is high quality. You do not want a picture of you, putting up your deuces in front of a bathroom mirror or something like that. You want to make sure that the profile picture that you use, whether it's of you or your logo, that is clear and that it's relevant to your brand. You want to make sure that the colors are there, everything's popping. It's, the first thing that the user would see is your profile picture. So you want to make sure that it's something that gets their attention, that grabs their attention and makes them wonder, who is this person, or what is this brand? What is this? I want to click on it. So you want to make sure that you have a nice profile picture. The third thing I would say is to make sure that your bio is clear. Make sure it states what you do or the service that you offer, product that you sell. You want it to make sure that the user, when they see your bio, that they know what you do, how they can benefit off of you, and just know your mission statement. You want that to be clear because that will help you grab their attention and keep their attention. The fourth thing I would say is to make sure the links that you have in your bio are clickable. You want to make sure that every link goes to where you want it to go and that it's not a dead link, because trust me, I've encountered many profiles that have dead links and you do not want that. You want your user to know what you're selling. You want them to go straight there and not have any delay. You don't want them to see that your link isn't working, and that comes off very unprofessional. So you want to make sure everything you have in your bio works, because then you're just cheating yourself out of money. The fifth thing I would say is to make sure that your profile grid is nice, clean, and very in tune with your brand. You want to make sure that everything that you post goes with what your brand stands for. You do not want any random pictures of, food or, just random selfies or stuff like that that doesn't have any relation to what you do or what you sell or your mission. You want to make sure everything that you create comes together and looks nice. And when that user sees your profile, they will know right off the bat that you are important, that you have an offer for them, and that you can help them in some way. The sixth thing I would say is to use your stories. You want to make sure that you use your Instagram stories. It's like the best feature that Instagram have. You can share who you are. You can show more of your personality and be more comfortable and personable on your stories. They can get to see who you are. They can see your personality and just connect with you more. So I recommend that you would use your stories. It gives you more flexibility of the content that you can post. So yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoy these tips and I hope that they help you in some way. Let me know how these tips help you and drop down your Instagram below and I will check it out. All right, guys, I'll catch y'all in my next one. Bye.